You're gonna love this one.
What's that?
Well, the truck that you said I should be in, I wasn't on the lot. So I went down the list and I saw that nobody was taking 20, so I took 20. It barely makes it up frickin' Branson Hills, oh my word. Well, I just pulled out of the plant and now the red light's on and it's not going anywhere.
Will it go at all?
No, like, no. I just barely putted out through the light by the plant and now I'm on the side of the road on Main. I turned off the power, I turned everything off, I turned it back on, thought it would reset. So I remember Zach.
That don't do nothing.
Yeah, I thought Zach said that.
What?
I thought Zach said it did something when he said.
Oh,
yeah, I know.
Yeah. No, that is. So where are you at?
On the right in front of the post office on Chestnut.
You're on Chestnut?
Yeah, I'm on the side of the road.
You can't get off Chestnut?
It puts a little bit. I could try, but I don't think so. Like it's not. It barely made it through the light. Puts a little bit. Yep. It goes and then it stops. Yeah. If any. Should I try to make it to the gas station? Should I try to put to the gas station? Did I lose you? Oh. Damn it.
I can hear you fine.
Yeah, it connected to the Bluetooth, but there's no Bluetooth. What were you trying to say?
Yeah, get off the road. I'm going to call Freightliner.
Okay.
All right, bye.
Bye.